For models with an ice and water dispenser on the door, follow the same installation procedures as other built-in models, except the refrigerator door panel must accommodate a cutout for the glasswell bezel. The total panel thickness in the glasswell bezel area can vary as shown. If the panel is thicker, route out space to accommodate the bezel surrounding the glasswell. To remove the glasswell bezel, turn power off to the unit. Remove the water grill. Extract the bottom 2 screws. To remove the touchpad, use your fingernail or a small flat blade screwdriver to disengage the inner plastic rivet's mandrels. Carefully pull out both rivet assemblies and set them aside. Tilt the touchpad out and disconnect the ribbon cable. Note the electrical connection orientation for reinstallation. Extract the top 2 screws. Then remove the bezel from the opening. Be careful not to damage the water dispenser ribbon cable while pushing the panel into place. To reinstall, carefully insert the dispenser bezel into the cutout. Secure the bezel with the 4 screws removed earlier. Reattach the ribbon cable and reseat the touchpad. Install the plastic rivets. Insert the outer rivet fingers into the touchpad, then secure with the inner mandrels. Replace the water grill. Press the power button to turn the unit on. Then check that the touchpad works correctly.